Another chilly start, but drier, sunnier and warmer today, and things getting even warmer as we head into the weekend. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Friday, 9th of May already.
You were at the Tower of London, weren't you? It just looked glorious for our VE Day.
It was
special,
amazing.
didn't it?
And just as I was finishing my weather broadcast, some of the yeoman warders came out to have a big group photo. The 30,000 poppies were there as part of their VE Day commemorations to signify the losses and sacrifices that people had made. And it was glorious in the sunshine. But just to pick up on what Juliet was saying about the wildfire risk across Scotland, it's because it's just been so dry there. It's been the driest of all of our 4 nations. I just want to show you how little rainfall we've had so far this year. January, February, March, April, way below our average rainfall totals. And for the whole of the UK, in fact, we've had way below where we should be rainfall so far this year. So, as she was saying, this weekend, as things warm up, there's a real risk of more wildfires being sparked. And this month, May, we've just had 2 or 3% of the rainfall we're set to have. And the outlook stays dry, unfortunately. I say staying dry, unfortunately. It's not great for those wildfire risks, but if you have outdoor plans over the next few days, then I'm sure it's welcome news. Also, things warming up with this dry weather as we head through the weekend, peaking at 27 degrees on Sunday and lasting into Monday as well. For today, like it has been for the last few, a little clear, chilly first. Yes, the sun will be shining this weekend, warming up for everybody, which is, I'm sure, welcome news if you have outdoor plans this weekend. Here's the why. High pressure still sitting close to the UK. It keeps weather fronts at bay for the most part, but not for all of us. The risk of some showers and thunderstorms as this warmer air moves in this weekend across the fun level starting to climb into high early parts of grass pollen season. That's not welcome news with this warm weather. So let's see how things pan out as we head through the next 7 days. And the theme is dry, sunny and warm. So this is how it looks across the north of the UK. Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England, this is our average line where temperatures should be, and we are above average for the duration of the outlook. Percentage chance of rainfall remains largely dry. The risk of just a few showers around on Tuesday, but other than that, it is fine and dry. Now, let's look at our fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Again, looking at where our temperatures should be for the time of year. And this is where the outlook works so nicely. You can see how warm it is set to be through the weekend, the start of next week. But you can see the price some of us will pay, because as the humidity starts to build through the weekend and into next week, that is when we see the increased chance of showers and thunderstorms breaking out initially in the southwest and then for many southern areas too. Good morning to you. The weekend is nearly upon us and things are set to warm up. Today, more sunshine than yesterday. It stays dry and the winds are lighter. So an improving story if you enjoy warmth and sunshine. But the price you pay for sunshine first thing with clear skies overnight, a chilly start, even a touch of frost across Scotland. Little bit of cloud first thing, but that will soon break up. So for many of us, it is beautiful blue skies and patchy cloud in the south. More sunshine than yesterday. The nagging winds along this North Sea have gone, so 4 or 5 degrees warmer here today. And in the sunshine, top temperatures up to 22 degrees. That's it for me for now. There's plenty more still to come. You're watching Good Morning Britain here on ITV1. Good morning to you. We've had fairly chilly mornings and warm days, and there is more of that to come as we head through the next few days. High pressure brings settled conditions. It keeps it dry. I say dry, largely dry. Low pressure moves up to the southwest. By the end of the weekend to the start of next weekend, that brings the risk of thunderstorms because our wind direction changes to the southeasterly. Good morning to you. The rumours are true. It is warming up as we head through the weekend. Today, high is 22. The peak temperature over the weekend into Monday, 27 degrees Celsius. It is dry, sunny and warm, not just for today, for the next few days. A slight fly in the ointment comes this warm air moving up from the southwest through the weekend. By Sunday, that brings the risk of some thunderstorms. But for the time being, today, drier, sunnier, warmer than yesterday, lighter winds, warmer along these North Sea coasts have been plagued by this onshore breeze. Tomorrow, you may well start chilly, but then it's fine, dry with plenty of sunshine, and the warmth continues all weekend long.